What's up, y'all? Crypto Pitbull back with another walk and talk quick video. So it looks like it's done, guys. I don't know if you guys know who Anthony Scaramucci is, but he's in this investing space in crypto. I mean, he's in a lot of stuff, but he tweeted out, "It's done," right? Also, Fox News, Fox Business, had put out that BlackRock, there was a leak by BlackRock basically saying the same thing, that it was done. Now, we do have until Wednesday, which is the 10th. That's the deadline. We should be getting the official answer then. But guys, in my opinion, I think it's a done deal, okay? It's a done deal. Now, of course, if it's not, we can expect the market to react accordingly, and we'll probably see another drop, okay? But don't panic, guys. Don't panic. That's a good thing, because that just gives us an opportunity to pick up these coins on the cheap. They're already on a discount. We had a major drop over the weekend, and it started probably the last week or two after this massive run up. I mean, some of these coins went up thousands of percent already. Okay, so we would have expected a cool off at some point. However, I just think that all of this hype and news regarding the Bitcoin ETF propelled that, right? So people were pulling money out of these alts and they're putting it into Bitcoin. That's why you see Bitcoin. I mean, today, a few hours ago, it hit $47,330, right? I mean, just a week ago, if I'm not mistaken, it was around 41K. I mean, it dipped down to that point, but it's been hovering into that 42 to 44K range, right? But just with the anticipation of this news, beginning this morning, we saw the market to wake up and move, with Bitcoin especially. Some of the alts started to come back, okay, from that big dip over the weekend, but they haven't moved yet like Bitcoin. And it's because, in my opinion, now none of this, guys, is financial advice, okay? Do your own research. This is my opinion. I'm just giving you guys my 2 cents on this, and just trying to give you an honest perspective. So anyway, my opinion, I believe that people were taking money out of Bitcoin or out of the altcoins and putting it into Bitcoin, okay, with the anticipation that Bitcoin's going to pop, okay? And when that happens, Bitcoin will pop. It's gonna be like nothing we've ever seen in an investing space, okay? The other thing we got to keep in mind too, I mean, this is just a perfect storm, guys. The stars are aligning. We have the Bitcoin ETF, which is the first in its kind, okay? And if you guys know what happened when the gold ETF came out, just Google it. You'll see what I'm talking about. I mean, it just skyrocketed, right? That ETF propelled the price of gold, okay? This is going to happen with Bitcoin, but it's going to be better, okay? We all know Bitcoin's a better asset to hold, better store of value, okay? But it's going to rocket, right? And then what's going to happen is people are going to start taking profits from that, and they're going to start rolling them into alts, probably like with Ethereum and Solana and things like that, okay? And then it'll kind of trickle down, okay? So keep that in mind. And if you guys are on the sidelines and you've been waiting for your, the perfect entry price to get into, I don't know, guys. In my opinion, I feel like that ship, kind of sailed a few months ago. If you really wanted to get into the bottom, but we all know the bottom of Bitcoin and ETH so far was a year ago, a little over a year ago. It was like last November, okay? But altcoins, many of the altcoins, I mean, I think probably back in September was probably the best time to pick these altcoins up. But guys, they're still so cheap, and this is nothing. The price is nothing compared to what we're going to see. So in my opinion, sitting on the sidelines waiting is more risky than putting your money in the market now, okay? Far more risky. I'm all in right now. I'm still going to be DCAing, but my bags are packed on many of the coins that I've been holding. Like I said, I've been buying since the end of 2021. So basically all through the downturn and through the bear market, and we're right back up, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantages of these dips and corrections, because we will have some, guys. And that's another thing to keep in mind. You know, if you're new and you're getting into this space, you're going to invest. Let's say you invest this week, and, you know, this time next month, your coins are just up. It's going to be a great feeling, right? But then another couple months goes by and you might see a dip, maybe a big dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, okay? Because that's just a signal and an opportunity to get more of these tokens or coins, okay? So don't freak out. That's how people get wrecked. They put money in, they see it drop a little bit, and they start panicking and go, oh, I'm going to pull my money out before I lose any more. In my opinion, that's the worst thing you can do. Like I said, what you want to do, keep calm, chill out, it's okay, and remember, it's only a loss if you sell it at a loss, okay? So you just got to be patient. Now, if you're in good coins and good projects, this isn't going to be a problem. And that's what I'm going to be here for, okay? Because I do believe, in my opinion, I believe that I have some good coins, okay? I've been watching a lot of the top crypto tubers for the last couple of years, and I've been able to, you know, to really get in on some of these great projects because of these guys, you know. So that's why I created this channel, you know, to document my journey, but also to pass this on to you guys, you know, somebody that can be relatable, you know, just a regular 9-to-5er, like I've said in the past. But yeah, guys, this Bitcoin ETF is going to be just insane. Also, we have the Bitcoin halving, which is probably going to be sometime in April. What that is every 4 years, the reward for the miners who mine Bitcoin gets cut in half, okay? Which is obviously going to have an effect on the supply, okay? Now, couple that with the demand we're going to get from this ETF and these new investors, retail investors, people like you and I. It's just perfect storm, guys. The stars are aligning. This is a great time to be in this space, okay? And like I said, in my opinion, not financial advice, in my opinion, if you're on the sidelines and you have some cash and you've just been kind of not sure when to enter or what, now's a good time, guys. Now's a good time. At the very least, now's a good time to really be paying attention, okay? You know, there is a possibility that this ETF gets denied or delayed, which I'm sure the market will react accordingly. It'll probably drop again. But don't trip, buy the dip, you'll be okay, okay? So just keep that in mind, guys. The next video I make, I mean, I've just been waiting for this ETF approval because that's all the rage right now, okay? That's all the rage. But the next videos that we get into, I'm going to start breaking down some of these projects that I am involved in. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek right now, but you know, obviously Solana, I think that's a strong project. The ecosystem within Solana is going to be a strong project. Of course, Kaspa. Gaming, guys, gaming coins and AI coins are going to be a very strong narrative through this run, okay? I think gaming is really going to be what kicks the doors open to this space to lead into mass adoption. AI too, but gaming definitely. And then of course, you have your layer 1 cryptos, okay? Those 3 coins, if I was a new investor, that's what I'd be looking at, okay? Gaming coins like Myria, okay? It's a new project. It has not been through a bull run. There's a lot of hype around it. It's got a great team. So that's strong. It's one I'm invested in. There's another coin project from Hello Labs, okay? And the token is Hello. All right, there's a show coming out, and I had mentioned Anthony Scaramucci earlier. He's involved in that show. I think he's a judge. I don't know if he's on there like all the time or if it's just like a guest spot. It's very similar to Shark Tank. And then there's another show similar that's like out in the UK that I can't remember the name of, but it's like Shark Tank, guys. People are pitching their projects to crypto influencers, I guess you would say. Crypto Windio is one of them. The twins, Aaron and Austin Arnold from Altcoin Daily, they are on that show. Rand Neuner from Crypto Banner on that show. These are all great people to look at, guys. Big channels, big following, really know what they're doing. They've been in this game a long time, and you can get a lot of quality alpha. Alpha's information, for those of you who don't know, okay? So anyway, yeah, Hello's a good one. Kaspa is another coin that's great. Kaspa is, some people are calling it kind of like the Bitcoin 2.0. And Kaspa is basically has been created to actually do what Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, or, you know, we don't know who really created Bitcoin, but Satoshi Nakamoto, right? That was the vision of Bitcoin, peer-to-peer transactions, okay? Well, it's obviously become more of a store of value, but Kaspa is here to kind of take that place, pick up that torch and run with it, okay? That's a great project to look at, guys. It's sitting at around 11 cents today. So it's still pretty cheap, okay? And you know what, guys, when we talk about price, okay, like price of coins, a lot of people are you know, lured in by the price, right? They'll see, okay, you know, Solana, well, Solana's like $97, but you've got like, you know, Gala Games, it's like 2 cents. Oh, I could get way more coins with, you know, because that's project's 2 cents. Okay, it doesn't come down to the price, guys. The price isn't so much the factor that you need to be looking at, okay? There's other factors, okay? Market cap, token allocations, how did they distribute the tokens when the project was launched, okay? Token unlocks, vesting, all this type of stuff. Does it have a lot of VC money back? These are all things you want to take into account when you're looking at a project, okay? But, you know, Gala Games is one that has been a top project in the gaming space for a while now. Definitely since the last bull run. We have kind of come into some issues with the team. You know, one of the creators is suing the other, some money issues, and you know, it shook some people out, okay? I know some people that just got out of the project. I have not exited my position on Gala. I'm still thinking about it because there is a lot of new games in the space, but Gala has a lot of great partnerships, okay? So I'm not sure on that, but we'll talk more about that going in. Like I said, I've invested into Miria, which is another gaming coin, or token, I should say. So yeah, those. Then let's talk about really quick about some of these Bitcoin. This is all new. BRC20 tokens, okay? We have Mint Layer. That's one that I would look at. Mint Layer, I would look at Stacks. I would look at Tectum, okay? These are all coins that I feel strong about. And I'm only going to talk about coins that I personally am invested in or are seriously looking at, or that I'm exiting out of, right? I'm going to give you guys what I'm doing and my opinions, okay? And I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. I'd love to hear your feedback, right? So, you know, feel free to drop a comment, man. Definitely like the videos. I would really appreciate your guys' support. And anybody that's watching the videos or have subbed or liked the videos, thank you so much, okay? Really, this is a new channel. I'm just starting out. We'll get there. It's going to get a lot better. And my goal and you know, wholehearted intentions are to educate and to, you know, spread the alpha that I have out to the people that are watching these videos, okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. I'll be doing another video here shortly. But like I said, guys, if you're on the sidelines and you've got money, consider getting in now, okay? Or at least really start tuning in. Start watching videos on this, okay? Because once this Bitcoin ETF pops and things start to really move, you know, the window is going to be closing, guys. And I would love to be able to have somebody reach out to me that saw this video and decided to invest and make some money, and then let me know, hey man, you know, because of your video, I ended up doing that. I pulled the trigger, I got into this project, and I made some money. That would be great, guys, because we all have the opportunity right now. Every single one of us has an opportunity to make that money, okay? So I wish you guys all the best. Keep your ears open and your eyes open for this news on that Bitcoin ETF. I will keep you guys posted as soon as I hear anything. But until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.